Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today is 1st of September, so happy Spring Day. So if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your anniversary, happy anniversary. If you don't have any special occasion today, well, today is a new beginning, a new season. September month is the most beautiful month of the year. It's the time where the flowers are blossoming and the birds are coming out of their nests. So it's such a beautiful time of the year. So go buy your friend, your family, your mother, your father, whoever is special in your life. Go buy that person a bunch of flowers and let's celebrate spring, the new beginning of life. So I want to tell you, last year, September, we had our first lucky draw. We actually gave the Piccolo pizza oven away. It was an absolute privilege for us to do that. This year we decided to do it again. So we would like to spoil someone with one of our products. So please tell us which product you like the most. Please like and share this video or any other video that you like about us, or the product that you like about us. Please tell us a comment. Give us a comment about what you like about the product, and if there's any change or anything that you would like to add on a product or something that's interesting for you. Please share it with us. We appreciate all your comments. Yes, so later on we are going to introduce you to a few new products. So yes, we are out of hibernating, and yes, and during this hibernating, like let's say the hibernating stage, we actually developed a few new products. We got new ideas, we've got new passion for new products, and yes, and it's all developed and designed and it's ready for you now. Today we're going to introduce it to you. We can't wait, but just bear with me and I will show it to you just now. But if you want to be part of this competition that we're going to do in September, please just share this video or any other video, and please like, subscribe and comment. And if you can specifically say which product you would like to win, then we can actually, if you are the winner, we can actually do something about your favorite product. We can send you your favorite product. Alright guys, thank you so much for this year again. I can't believe we are in September. It was an amazing year for us here at TP Products. We want to thank you guys for all the love and happiness and everything that you shared with us. You are building us and you're walking a great road with us both. And we just appreciate everyone that's been buying our products and introducing it to your friends and everything. Anyways, from my side, I'm just going to walk outside now and see if I can show you all our new products and new ideas that we had this year for you. Alright, see you now. Cheers, ciao. Okay. Ja, kijk, je kan besluiten wat je erover van wil